As we move into our later life, beginning in one's 60s, the friendships that we have are often remnants of previous friends and friendship patterns. So the friends that we have are likely our old or our best friends, especially when they've extended from adulthood or earlier. And these friendships might be limited, but they can be just as equally rewarding for the individuals within them. Some friends who reach this stage of later life may not see each other as frequently as they once did, but they have this ability to just pick up wherever they left off whenever they do get to see one another. My mom and her best friend, for example, have been friends since they were in high school. And as they grew through their adulthood and had kids of their own and all of those sorts of things, they didn't get to see each other as frequently as they once did, especially given the fact that they live 400 miles away from one another. But when they do get those opportunities to see each other and spend some time together, or when they're just talking on the phone or texting, it's like no time has passed at all. Now, when it comes to our friendships in our later life, our physical and mental abilities are going to have an impact on our socializing and the activities that we can participate in. And these are going to vary widely from person to person and age to age. But regardless of when these life changes in our physical and mental abilities begin, it's common and normal for the opportunities to interact with really wide friendship circles to diminish as our abilities might decline. Some people who reach later life and reach retirement will see this as a time to settle into a quiet routine in the same geographic place, and this may increase social interaction and the potential for friendships, especially if individuals are living in assisted living facilities. They might even make more friends based primarily on proximity, like they did when they were in college. So retirement and later life might even lead to new and more exciting friendships for these individuals. The friendships that we have in later life provide us with emotional support that is specific and only really applicable to this life stage. Our friends in later life may be able to shield us, and we may be able to shield each other from negative judgments from others about aging and illness. And most importantly, friends in later life may provide support after the death of a romantic partner. Widows in particular may turn to other single women for support after the death of their partner. And so they can be particularly helpful in those instances. They can be helpful in instances where physical and mental abilities are declining. They can share experiences, all of those sorts of things. And so while our friendships are narrowing as we grow further and further into our later lives, the friendships that we have are still very rewarding to the individuals who are in those friendships.